Have you ever pondered how a compact device soaring through the skies could redefine our perception of the world? Today we embark on an engrossing journey through the mesmerizing realm of drone technology, unraveling its limitless potential and groundbreaking advancements. Imagine a world where small, agile machines deftly navigate the skies, fulfilling a diverse array of tasks. This is the world of drones, a technology that has evolved to serve myriad purposes across numerous industries, from capturing breathtaking aerial photographs and videos to carrying out search and rescue missions, from delivering packages to monitoring environmental changes. Drones have expanded their horizons far beyond their initial recreational use. But how did we get here? The evolution of drone technology is a fascinating tale of innovation and breakthroughs. Early drone designs were simple quadcopters capable of basic flight and maneuvering. As technology advanced, so did these flying marvels, incorporating elements of artificial intelligence and machine learning. These advancements have enabled drones to perform complex tasks autonomously, transforming them into sophisticated autonomous systems. Today, drones boast a myriad of cutting-edge features such as obstacle avoidance, precision landing, and advanced imaging capabilities. These innovations have not only enhanced their functionality but also broadened their application scope. But what does the future hold for drone technology? The potential impact is immense. Drones are already making significant contributions to agriculture, infrastructure inspection, and disaster response. Yet, as with any technology, drones pose certain challenges. Concerns surrounding privacy regulations and safety are paramount, emphasizing the importance of responsible drone operation. Envision a future where drones are an integral part of our daily lives, revolutionizing industries and transforming the way we interact with our world. This future is not a distant dream, but a rapidly approaching reality. In summary, drone technology, with its incredible versatility and advanced capabilities, offers endless possibilities. From reshaping industries to redefining our interaction with the world, drones are set to soar high into our future. Feel free to share your thoughts and experiences with drones. We appreciate your company on this exploration of drone technology. Don't forget to subscribe for more content that expands the mind and challenges the imagination. Until next time, remember, the future is up high.